Hello friends, welcome to India Travel Channel. In today's video, we'll try to know about 23 best beaches in Goa. Before proceeding, I'd request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that such new videos are available with you as soon as they released. So friends, as you know, Goa is a perfect tourist spot, especially if one enjoys beaches and nightlife. Goa is a perfect for two people who wish to celebrate their marriage and prepare for their life together. Here is a list of colorful, beautiful beaches in Goa which make it an excellent vacation location. Arpora. Arpora is located within a short walking distance of both Baga and Kalangud beach and offers great resorts. There is Mackey's Night Bazaar where you need to strike a smart bargain if you want to pick up any of the wares as a gift for souvenir. If you are staying longer at this place, do visit the Friday market at Mapusa too. Bambolim. If you happen to believe that a beach is meant for spending time in the water or a clean sand soaking in the sun, head to Bambolim because that's exactly what you will get here. This beach also offers isolation along with excellent resorts and is a great way to take happy isolation. Kandolim Beach. This beach is not cluttered with many shops or restaurants. It is merely a beach where you may come with your spouse and enjoy the light across the water and the serenity of the sea. Maybe build sand castles if you like to do. Chapora Beach. Get lessons in the history with the rest and relaxation when you visit Chapora with its beautiful beach and the Chapora Fort, which commands a panoramic view of the sea and the beach. Chapora is also famed for its budget accommodation, a great way to save after an expensive wedding. Mandarin Beach. Laze around the beach, take a swim in the rather deep waters or visit the small Portuguese fort close by, which is now a luxury hotel but allows anyone to walk around and absorb its history and the panoramic views afforded. This is small but beautiful beach where you find rest and relaxation in high measures. Morjim Beach. Favored a lot by Russian immigrants who give the town of Morzim its second name of Little Russia. The beach is nesting and hatching habitat of olive ridley sea turtles, an endangered species protected under India's Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The turtles are left untouched by everyone, including the fishermen here, and are a sight to behold when they hatch. Quarim Beach. Quarim Keri or Kerim Beach lies at the mouth of the Terrakhol River, across which lies Terrakhol Fort on a hillock overlooking it. Take the ferry to the beach from the fort. Dotted with many pine trees, the beach is beautiful and shady, affording a lot of nooks as picnic spot. This beach is not very crowded or well developed and needs you to put in some effort to find it. Vagator Beach. The dramatic red cliffs of Vagator Beach are split into two beaches named Big Vagator and Small Vagator or Orzon Beach. The beach offers no accommodation on the seaside. The beach offers breathtaking views of the sunset, which is a major attraction for visitors here. Arosin. Located between Koilim and the Cansolim beaches, the Arosim beach offers you dazzling white sand with dense greenery provided by palm trees and colorful fishing boats. The beach affords visitors a peaceful ambience and allows them to enjoy nature in isolation. Benaulim, with an old school charm that's perfect for walking around hand in hand, Benaulim Beach is where you can also shop for local handicrafts and traditional rosewood furniture. Legend has it that the arrow of the sage Parshuram, which is supposed to have created Goa, landed at this place, a relatively undiscovered beach. Majorda. This beach is much loved for its neat, clean surrounding and the lack of bustle. One of the best places to visit with someone you love because you can enjoy the beautiful surroundings, amazing hospitality of the people around, the good food, and of course, the sun and the sand. Butterfly. The small cave concealed behind the dense tree is such a beautiful spot that you would be surprised that there are no huge crowds. Drive or trek to the secluded beach through the forest to enjoy its outstanding beauty, lack of noise pollution, and the flittering butterflies, which make the place an ideal location for picnic or quiet relaxation and romantic togetherness. You can even go here on a boat from the Paulim or Agoda beaches. Don't forget to snap some pictures and capture the happy memories. Agonda. Visit this pristinely beautiful island to enjoy the water, relax, sunbath, and go swimming at the beautiful location, which is not badly crowded and relatively cheaper than Paulim, which is another beach 15 km away. The beach has accommodation lining either side of the road parallel to the sea. After a day of sunbathing and splashing around with your new spouse, visit the Agonda Church to see quaint architecture. Betal Betim. With lot of hotels, resort and development, Betal Betim are highly favored by visitors for its beauty and quiet. Visitors flock here to enjoy the peace and relaxation. It is the great gateway for honeymooners looking to get away from the crowds and the party scene. Bockmallow, 9 kilometers from the town of Vasco da Gama and 30-minute drive away from the Dabolim airport, Bockmallow is famous for beauty of its sunsets, the small bay with the curving beach. Many people come here to get married at the seaside resorts, which specially caters to such events. Canaguinum. As if golden sands of this beach are not en- enticing enough, Canaguinim has panoramic views of surrounding greenery, the Cabo de Rama Fort, and the Arabian Sea to completely enthrall its visitors and lull them into state of tranquility. Cavalosim. The beach is very famous for the beautiful contrast presented by the white sands and the black lava rocks. Relax, swim or go into the sea for sighting dolphins. Roam the village and enjoy the serene beauty of the paddy fields near the river Sal. After a hectic wedding, nothing says relaxation better than Cavalosim. Kola Beach. This beautiful and picturesque beach is ideal for peace, relaxation and quiet together time for romantic couples. Clean, quiet and easily considered a role model for paradise, this simple, neatly hidden beach has many palm trees, a freshwater lagoon which connects to the sea and splendid views of the sea. Be mesmerized by a dazzling sunset over this water. Kolwa. Kolwa Beach is a part of village that rests along the coast in Salsette, South Goa. Visit to see coconut palms and the tourist destination of Kolwa. The beaches and hotels are augmented by guest houses, shacks along the beach, many good stalls, restaurants and pubs. This beach was chosen retreat of Goa's high society under Portuguese rule. The church, Igreja de Nossa Senhora das Mercies, is another nice place to visit. Conco Islands. Resting close to Angoda Beach, Conco Island is also called Monkey Island because of number of monkeys that live in the forest around the area. Visiting this island with your love, you both can admire the white coast that mark its coastline and come away feeling amazed by the experience. Issorsing. The fishing village offers an amazing beach where you can go fishing or look at the plate coral in the sea. The scenic beauty of this beach is unbelievable during high tide when the sea meets the freshwater stream nearby. Utorda Beach. The soft and silky sands of Utorda are white and fine. The calm sea lets you go for a swim even if you are not really an experienced swimmer. This extremely relaxing and clean stretch of beach is truly beautiful and utterly romantic. So friends, I hope now you know about 23 best beaches for the perfect vacation in the Goa. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel